bullet train, looking out the window. This is the stop before Kyoto. So Mary is just about ready to get off the train, and we're gonna go find Kyrie's house. So Mary is sitting in. Mary's actually right here. This is where we're sitting was down there. Mary is talking to Kyrie on the phone right now. And when you look out the window, you're going really fast. Let me show you a little bit closer to the train. Okay, so that's why it's called a bullet train. Okay, bye.